Life360 app review, usage experience. Links to download the Life360 app are in the description below, so be sure to check them out after watching. In this video, I'm reviewing Life360, the family safety app that helps you stay connected with your loved ones in real time. Let's dive into the features, who it's made for, and whether it's worth your time. Life360 is an app designed to keep families connected and safe by providing real-time location sharing, driving reports, and emergency features. It's a powerful tool for families who want to stay in touch and ensure everyone's well-being, especially for parents of young drivers or children heading off to school. The app's main feature is its location sharing system, which allows you to track family members' whereabouts in real time. It uses GPS technology to provide accurate location updates, so you can always know where your loved ones are. Another standout feature is the driving safety report. If you have teen drivers in your family, this feature provides insights into their driving habits, such as speed, harsh braking, and phone use while driving. It's a great way for parents to monitor driving behavior and have important conversations with their teens about safe driving practices. The app also includes crash detection, which can automatically alert emergency services if a severe accident is detected, offering peace of mind to families. Life360 also includes a place alerts feature, where you can set geo-fenced areas for specific locations. For instance, you can set an alert for when a family member arrives or leaves school or work, giving you peace of mind and real-time updates. The app also offers family chat functionality, allowing members to stay in touch with messages or location updates, and it has an SOS feature for emergency situations. Pressing the SOS button sends alerts to selected family members with your location, making it a valuable tool in urgent situations. One of the app's weaknesses, however, is that it's more focused on tracking than on providing additional safety features. While Life360 offers a great location sharing and tracking system, some users have reported issues with accuracy and battery drain, especially for users on older devices. Overall, Life360 is an excellent app for keeping your family connected, monitoring driving habits, and ensuring everyone's safety with real-time location tracking. It's a must-have for families with teen drivers or younger kids. Be sure to download Life360 via the link in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app reviews.